Newsflash: a ceasefire deal between Israel and Hamas has come into sight, promising a temporary respite from the ongoing conflict in Gaza. This major development has sent waves of celebration across Palestinian territories, while stirring a cocktail of emotions in Israel. This saga began with the eruption of conflict, characterized by intense fighting and heartbreaking casualties. The deadly dance of violence between Israel and Hamas has been a grim spectacle, with both sides suffering immense losses. But now, with the announcement of a ceasefire deal, there appears to be a glimmer of hope on the horizon. The ceasefire deal is set to commence on Sunday. It includes a phased release of hostages and Palestinian prisoners, promising a breath of fresh air to those caught in the crossfire. The first phase will witness the release of 33 hostages by Hamas and hundreds of Palestinian prisoners by Israel. But the road to this ceasefire wasn't a stroll in the park. It demanded rigorous negotiations and diplomatic handshakes. Egypt played a crucial role in mediating the agreement, proving once again that diplomacy can indeed pave the way for peace. Adding a layer of complexity to the situation, Israel's finance minister has threatened to resign over the terms of the agreement. This internal friction within the Israeli cabinet reflects the multifaceted challenges the deal presents. Despite the uncertainty, U.S. President Joe Biden has expressed optimism for a permanent end to the conflict. He has emphasized the unity between his administration and Trump's team in supporting the deal. But what does this ceasefire deal mean for the future? The answer to that question is as elusive as peace itself. While the ceasefire offers hope for reducing violence, the prospect of a permanent end to the war hinges on numerous factors. These include the dynamics of Netanyahu's coalition, the internal politics of Hamas, and the war weariness among Israelis and Gazans. In summary, the ceasefire deal between Israel and Hamas marks a significant milestone in the Gaza conflict. It brings hope for a temporary pause in fighting, a chance for hostages and prisoners to return home, and a window of opportunity for a permanent ceasefire. However, the path to lasting peace is fraught with challenges and uncertainties. Only time will reveal the final outcome of this historic agreement. Until then, the world watches and waits.